very quiet.
Yeah.
Oh,
Tell me.
Yeah, I'm from Africa, but
What is your name?
Bless Jam,
Where are you from?
Africa, Senegal, and West Africa.
So, what part of Senegal are you from?
West.
West Senegal? Do you
West
speak
Africa.
Toucouleur or like Wolof?
How do you know?
I just know. I'm an anthropologist, and
I speak 5 languages. I speak Wolof, Jola, Mandarin, Toucouleur, Mandarin. I speak 5 languages.
and French.
And French, Esperanto, and
English.
yeah, English. Yeah.
Where did you learn Esperanto?
I learned Esperanto in my country, and when I come here, it was in 1997. I just used the passport assemble is in Esperanto, and the first time I was in Santa Barbara with my friend Dorothée Hollande, and then she just talked to Cathy Schultz, and then Cathy Schultz gave me a scholarship for the summer course in Esperanto here, and then I was here, and then after here I was in New York, and then I just like this country, and I changed my visa. Now my status is resident, and I just was in Dallas for 2 years, and then a lot of people ask me about Esperanto, and I come back here for learn Esperanto for teach Esperanto. So I'm here again.
So you'll teach Esperanto?
Yeah, I need to teach Esperanto for other people who need to learn Esperanto, because when I was in Dallas, I just take my ESL, and then one of my books, they're talking about Esperanto, and a lot of people just ask about me what is Esperanto, and I just have some people need now to learn Esperanto while I come.
Let me ask you, obviously in West Africa, there's a colonial language, there's an hangover from colonialism. It's French, and in East Africa it tends to be English.
Yeah, we have Portuguese too.
And Portuguese,
in
and
Bissau.
Belgium, right? Is there a movement among Africans for Esperanto because it gets rid of the colonial history and it also unifies the different ethnic groups? Do you find that Africans are more interested or less interested? Or?
Not too much, yeah, but some of them learn Esperanto. Yeah.
Why do you think there's a lack of interest?
I think in Africa we need Esperanto because we have a lot of language. I know I speak a lot of language because my region where I live is not too far with other states like Guinea, Mali, and why I speak other language because a lot of people come and go back. But you can find some people who speak only one language. We have very big problem with communication.
It's an ideal language for Africa,
Yeah,
isn't it?
it's the ideal language in Africa.
Are you enjoying the summer?
Yeah, I very enjoy this summer.
And where do the other students come from?
Here, we can find all states, United States, and in Europe, Asia, and so sometimes, like when I was here in '97, I just meet somebody who come from in Australia.
Right. Thank you.
You're welcome.